How to hide orders on Amazon mobile app in just 1 minute. Today I'm going to show you in this easy step-by-step guide how you can hide your Amazon orders fast so they don't show in your main order list. On Amazon, hiding an order really means archiving it. This removes it from your normal order history view but does not delete it. Open the Amazon app and sign in. Tap the profile icon, then tap your orders. Find the order you want to hide and tap it to open the details. Look for Archive Order, tap it and confirm. Once you do this, the order disappears from your main order list. If you don't see the archive option in the app, open Amazon in your phone's web browser. Sign in, go to your orders, open the order and archive it from there. Some app versions don't show the archive button. To see an archive order later, go to your orders and change the filter to archived orders. And that's it. Archiving hides the order from main list, but it's still saved in your account and can be found in the archived section if needed.